again, back with another simple one. This one I call the Mucus Buster. It's so simple, anyone can do it. I'm gonna show you how. Watch this. Okay, so we have our agave here. We have cayenne pepper. We have some onions, some lime, ginger, and turmeric. These are the ingredients I'll use for our Mucus Buster. As you know, we need, some kind of boost to boost up our immune system every now and then. Okay, so we've chopped up our limes, onion, and the ginger. If you have a separate cup from your blender, it would be grateful, because once you put turmeric, it's gonna stain it. So I advise you to have a separate cup for this Mucus Buster especially. As you know, this helps to boost the immune system, like especially when it comes to winter time. You get the cold and flu. Like I said, I use this all the time. You use this every day, as much as you can, really. Get like a 1 tablespoon of it a day. This, we've been using it for the past 2 years now, and we haven't had cold or flu. And I've got small children, and they don't get cold or flu anymore. So this one is really good. It's very powerful. So that's why we use it so often. Okay, so I've just added 2 tablespoons of cayenne powder, 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder. So you need it to be a bit peppery, but if you can't stand the pepper, just add a bit of agave. So that's what it's there for. But you do add some, but if you find it a little bit too peppery, just a little bit more of agave. But you need it to be a bit spicy. And then you just blend this. You don't add water. So the juice of the onion and the lime and everything will create juice. So you don't need to add any juice. So you just blend it. This is a very powerful juice where it's going to be like a paste, not a juice. It's going to be a paste. So you just have a teaspoon a day, or 2 teaspoons if you can handle it. You have that, and this fights all the parasites in your stomach, and this will reduce all the mucus buildup in your body, and that's how we don't actually get cold or flu, and that's what we use. Okay, our mixture is ready, and this is what it look like. So to make sure it's ready, as soon as you open it, it should hit your eye and it should start burning. That's when you know this is ready. So this is very powerful. So the onions start kicking in your eyes now, and it start to water. So all it is like a paste now. So what you do, you just store it in a jar. You store it, get it out of the blender cup, store it in a jar, and then you seal it very tight and leave it in the fridge. And you just take a tablespoon a day, every day, or as much as you can every day, and you have that, and that's all you need. And you just do it as much as you can. This can stay in the fridge for months. I've had this in the fridge for about 3 months, and it's still good. As long as you seal it tight, it works. So you just get your teaspoon a day, or tablespoon, as much as you can handle, but not too much, because it's very powerful. Just maximum 1 tablespoon, and that's it for the day. For the children, just give them probably about half a teaspoon. That's enough for them. And you use it. Like right now I'm speaking now, it's getting into my eyes, so I need to close it. It is very powerful. My eyes are watery. So, but that's it. That's my Mucus Buster. That kills anything. So not to like, subscribe, and I'll continue to bring out these goodness. Thank you. See you soon.